Hey everyone, welcome to Codex Digest. In this video, I'll show you how to back up your WordPress site in under 3 minutes using Everest Backup. Let's start inside your WordPress dashboard. Hover into Plugins, then select Add New Plugins. Now search for Everest plugin. Click Install Now, then Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new option on the left panel called Everest Backup. Click that. Inside the Backup tab, you'll see two options: Manual Backup and Schedule Backup. Let's explore Manual Backup first. You can choose what to include: database, plugins, themes, media, and more. Just uncheck the boxes for anything you want to exclude. Since we're using the free version, we can only save backups to the local web server. With the Pro version, you can send backups directly to Google Drive and other cloud options. Once you're all set, click Backup Now. And hey, if you're considering upgrading, we've got a discounted Everest Backup deal. Just visit codexdigest.com/deals direct directories or check the link in the comments. After it finishes, I recommend downloading the backup file, just in case something fails, especially since this is a manual backup. That's it. Now we're ready to test a restore. Click the Restore tab and drag the file you just downloaded. That way, you'll be able to restore your website. Now let's move on to Scheduled Backup. We can automate everything here by enabling this toggle. Choose how often you want backups: daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. You can also set the exact time it runs. Just keep in mind that it follows your server's time zone. The storage location is on the local web server. Just like in manual backup, you can select which files to exclude: database, plugins, and so on. You can also enable email notifications when the backup is complete if you prefer. And once you've set your preferences, hit Save Settings, and you're good to go. Here's one more thing. You can also restore your site using backups stored on your server. Just choose the version you want from the list, then click Rollback. That's how simple it is to back up your WordPress site using Everest Backup. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more WordPress guides. Happy building!